What if the most powerful green in your kitchen wasn't kale, wasn't spinach, but a peppery little plant, watercress? It's been around since ancient times. Today, why watercress is a true nutrient powerhouse, and how to level up meals in minutes. Per calorie, watercress ranks among the most nutrient-dense foods. Think crisp, refreshing, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, without loading your plate with calories. 1 cup covers well over your daily vitamin K needs. Huge for bone strength and healthy blood clotting. Add vitamin A for skin, vitamin C for eyes, and immune support. Why does it hit so hard? It's a cruciferous veggie, like broccoli and Brussels sprouts, packed with glucosinolates and antioxidants. They help neutralize oxidative stress, feel sharper, recover faster, support long-term health. Work out, sit all day? Nitrates support healthy blood flow, more oxygen delivery, better endurance, a cleaner engine for your day. I reach for watercress for a clean, low-calorie boost. It's mostly water and fiber, light but satisfying. How I use it? Fast. Toss into salads for a peppery bite. Blend into smoothies, pineapple, cucumber, lemon. Layer on sandwiches or wraps. Stir into soups at the end to keep it vibrant. Make a 2-minute pesto, watercress, garlic, lemon. Olive oil, almonds or walnuts, salt, blend. Done. Flavor tip: pair with citrus, sweet fruit, avocado, Greek yogurt. Buy crisp, deep green leaves. Firm stems, no yellowing. Rinse gently, pat dry, store wrapped in a breathable bag. Use within 2 to 3 days. Not just a garnish, it fuels. Peppery, versatile, crazy nutrient-dense. I'm in. Are you? Like, share, and subscribe for more bite-sized nutrition wins. Drop your favorite watercress recipe in the comments. And visit our website below for the full guide and quick recipes. See you in the next one. Easy daily habit. Toss a handful into eggs, grain bowls, noodles, tacos. 5-minute bowl. Grains, protein, tomatoes, hummus, watercress, lemon, oil, salt. Bright, filling, ridiculously good for you.